Want to build a chest so massive that it turns head the moment you walk in. Not getting result even after 100 of push-ups. You're probably doing it all wrong. In this video, I will reveal the best exercises backed by science and pro bodybuilders that will explode your chest growth. Whether you train at home or in the gym, let's build a superhero chest you've always wanted. Friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of slow progress and want to finally build a chest that fills out your t-shirt and boosts your confidence, this is the video for you. I'll break down the best chest exercises from beginners to advanced and show you how to train smart, not just hard. First, understanding chest anatomy. Before we jump into the exercises, let's understand the chest muscles. Your chest is made of two main parts, the pectoral major and pectoral minor. The pecs major has three heads, upper, middle and lower. And if you want a complete, well-rounded chest, you've got to hit all three areas with the right exercises. Best upper chest exercises. Number 1. Incline Barbell Bench Press. This is the king for upper chest. Set your bench at 30-degree angle and go heavy. Focus on the stretch and contraction. Don't bounce the bar. Number 2. Incline Dumbbell Press. Dumbbells allow for a deeper stretch and more range of motion. Great for isolating each side of your chest. Number 3. Incline Cable Fly. Constant tension throughout the movement helps burn out the upper chest like nothing else. Best middle chest exercises. Number 1. Flat Barbell Bench Press, the most popular chest builder. Focus on full range, slow negative, and power on the way up. Number 2. Flat Dumbbell Press. Helps contract imbalance and give you a deeper contraction. Number 3. Flat Bench Cable or Machine Fly. Perfect to isolate the pecs at the end of your workout when your triceps are tired. Best lower chest exercises. Number 1. Decline Barbell Press. Great for targeting the lower chest. Keep your form tight to avoid shoulder stress. Number 2. Decline Dumbbell Press. More control and range. Don't go too heavy from a ski here. Number 3. Chest focus tips. Lean forward, elbow out, and go deep. This is one of the most underrated chest exercises. Home chest exercises. No equipment. Number 1. Push-ups. Incline, flat, and decline. Change hand position and angles to hit all parts of the chest. Number 2. Wide grip push-ups. Target the outer chest and add width. Number 3. Archer push-up. These advanced push-ups build strength and save fast. Train chest twice a week for better volume and recovery. Focus on mind-muscle connection. Feel every rep. Don't skip your warm-up set. Injury can kill your gains. Use a progressive overload strategy. Keep increasing weight or reps weekly. Rest for 60 to 90 seconds between sets for hypertrophy. And there you have it, the ultimate chest building blueprint. Whether you are a beginner or advanced lifter, these exercises, if done with proper form and consistency, will give you that tweak, a stronger and a sculpted chest. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fitness content.